Turkey stands at the crossroads of Europe and Asia. It's a bridge between worlds. But Turkey is not just a geographical marvel, it is NATO's unsung powerhouse. Its significance to the alliance and really to the global balance of power cannot be overstated. Why is that? Well, just take a look at a map. Turkey holds the keys to the Black Sea. The narrow straits of the Bosphorus and Dardanelles are Turkey's to control. These waterways aren't just Turkish, they are the lifeblood of Russia's Black Sea fleet. Without them, Russia's warships are bottled up, their access to the Mediterranean completely choked off. This geographical reality gives Turkey immense leverage, and it's a leverage they definitely know how to use. Turkey's strategic importance, though, extends well beyond the Black Sea. It shares a border with Syria, a volatile neighbor embroiled in conflict. It borders Iran, a regional power with its own ambitions. And let's not forget Iraq, still grappling with instability. Turkey is on the front line of multiple crises, acting as a buffer between Europe and the turmoil of the Middle East. Turkey's military might is often underestimated. Honestly, this is a mistake. Within NATO, Turkey boasts the second-largest standing army, over 400,000 active personnel. That's more than Germany, France, and Italy combined. Numbers tell a story, but, they don't tell the whole story. The Turkish military is battle-hardened. They have fought insurgencies, conducted cross-border operations in Syria and Iraq, and engaged in urban warfare. They possess over 2,000 main battle tanks, almost half of European NATO's entire tank force. Their air force is being modernized, equipped with advanced F-16s and homegrown drones, and their special forces are considered among the best in the world. But raw power is meaningless without experience. Turkish pilots train extensively, honing their skills in realistic exercises. Their soldiers participate in joint operations with NATO allies, building interoperability and sharing expertise. This is not a theoretical army, it is a force ready for action. Deep in southern Turkey, nestled among the rolling hills, lies Incirlik Air Base. This is not just another airfield, it is a cornerstone of NATO's strategic posture. Incirlik houses American B-61 nuclear bombs, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice. Their presence really underscores Turkey's importance in NATO's nuclear umbrella, extending deterrence to Europe and beyond. Incirlik's strategic location is unparalleled. It provides a critical staging ground for operations in the Middle East, allowing rapid deployment of troops and equipment. During the fight against ISIS, Incirlik was a hub of activity, with American aircraft launching sorties against terrorist targets. However, the presence of nuclear weapons on Turkish soil is not without controversy. Some argue that it gives Turkey undue leverage, allowing them to play hardball in negotiations with the West. Others worry that the bombs could become hostages in a diplomatic crisis, caught in the crosshairs of geopolitical tensions. Turkey's military prowess isn't limited to conventional forces. In the skies above the battlefield, a new player has emerged, the Bayraktar TB2 drone. This Turkish-made marvel of engineering has turned heads in conflicts from Ukraine to Libya, demonstrating its lethal effectiveness against tanks, artillery, and enemy troops. The Bayraktar TB2 is a game-changer. It's relatively cheap, easy to deploy, and incredibly effective. But honestly, its importance goes beyond the battlefield. Turkey's drone industry is booming, with exports soaring to countries around the world. This is not just about arms sales, it's about influence. In Europe, Turkey's drone technology is in high demand. Countries eager to bolster their own defenses are looking to Turkey as a reliable partner. In March 2025, a landmark deal was struck between Baykar, the Turkish drone manufacturer, and Leonardo, a European defense giant. This partnership aims to develop and produce drones for the European market, cementing Turkey's role as a key player in the European defense industry.